So I purchased the smart toilet a few months ago, and here's a few things I wish I had have known. First of all, it comes with a heated seat. Look, you can see it in my thermal camera. Super nice. Also, it has an automatic flushing feature. It will just flush when you leave, and it will go ahead and close the lid. Takes a second here, but there it goes. I love to see that. Oh, the wife loves it that the toilet seat is always closed. You know what I'm saying? It has a remote control, so many different buttons and features. It took me a while to figure them out, but actually it was really simple if you look at the owner's manual. So it can wash after you go to the bathroom. No need for toilet paper, nothing like that. Anyways, this toilet is amazing, packed with so many features. It even has a night light for when you're in the dark. I would recommend it to anyone.